Car's going into a no entry.
Offers a nurturing, caring environment and provides moral and spiritual education guided by an Islamic ethos. The Imam Day nursery is well resourced and children have access to an enclosed outdoor play area. It was judged as good by Ofsted.
I think if anyone's worried, they don't need to come.
Yeah, but I don't think anyone's that worried.
Huh?
I don't think anyone's that. What the? Jesus, mate. I'm in a rush. God, I might have just stopped right there.
What would you do?
Like, kind of move it forward and then pull over.
Oh my gosh. That was so dangerous.
The government has decided that some of the less well off, and I say under £50,000 profit, those are the people that they're going to help. So if you were getting more from your business, there is no extra help.
This shit. The problem with them is they don't have good customer service. This shit like that.
It's weird because there's one literally opposite them.
Yo, did you see that?
No.
Oh my god. He literally was just, there's a rear wheel drive BMW 3 Series or M3. Yeah. But, you know, I do feel like, you know, doing this, I feel a little bit more, I don't know.
No, but you get some customers like that, like weird.
Close.
It's a very difficult time anyway. Yeah, it's difficult and I think...
Yeah, I think we just gotta be wise to what we do and how we do it. Yeah. Up, down, nowhere. Talk about creepy. There's a guy there driving on the pavement. What a smart idea. Oh, this guy's driving over. That's stupid, man. Yeah, take it fast. No, it's a bit cleaner, isn't it? Come on, man, at least pull in your own lane. Ridiculous. I'm going to apologize for you.
text lines have now closed. Somebody could be about to answer their phone to 10 grand in tax-free cash. Remember, don't say hello, say capital, give me the cash. So much money all that you have, hey, hey, you can't listen to the hey, hey, I'm the juice.
Just maybe has some mad times, man.
You missed, like, you know.
I mean, are they edged out or not?
And that's really because of the policy now changing.
Oh my fucking days, you're gonna give him way for the love of God.
But it will be, I think it will be coming back a bit later on. It's for the moment been suspended and I'm not going to do it.
Oh man, come on.
Anything else that we need to bring to the attention?
You know what, you're too slow for me.